Everyone said it was just a story. Everyone thought he was gone forever.
Dude, what you doing? Okay.
There's no such things as the boogeyman. You're right. Because there's much, much worse. There was a house, and, well, a door to the house. And, no, wait, let's start again. We live in a town. Where everything is unbalanced by it. People started disappearing. But much, much worse. People were scared.
That was great.
Yeah, I know.
So, how do you feel?
I feel like I'm being watched. Like he's watching my every move. Just waiting. I can almost feel him breathing down my neck. What are you doing?
Oh! I'm sorry, dear. What would you say? Wait, I thought I already said that. Count to 5. Sometimes it helps.
But what happens if you get to 1?
Then the whole world is going to end.
2.
And you'll never, ever be able to face your fears.
3.
And if you'll never be able to face your fears and open the fridge, then nobody will want to open the fridge.
4.
If nobody wants to open the fridge, nobody's gonna eat. And if nobody's eating, then stomachs are gonna start growling. And if stomachs start growling, there's gonna be cracks in the herd. And if there's cracks in the herd, people are gonna fall in it. And you wouldn't want to live in a world with cracks?